Are you tired of struggling to grow your Instagram following? Do you want to learn how to gain more followers on this popular social media platform? Look no further, because in this video, we will be sharing our top tips on how to increase your Instagram followers. From optimizing your profile to collaborating with other brands, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you will have the knowledge and tools to build a massive following on Instagram. The first step to gaining more followers on Instagram is to ensure that your profile is fully optimized. This includes having a clear and concise bio, using a profile picture that represents your brand, and adding a link to your website or blog. You want to make sure that when people land on your profile, they understand who you are and what you offer. Hashtags are one of the best ways to get your content discovered on Instagram. You want to research and use relevant hashtags that will attract your target audience. But be careful not to overuse hashtags, as this can come off as spammy. A good rule of thumb is to use no more than 10 to 12 hashtags per post. To build a strong Instagram following, you need to post consistently. This means posting at least once a day, at the same time, every day. You also want to make sure that your content aligns with your brand and is high quality. By being consistent, you will start to build trust with your audience, and they will be more likely to follow and engage with you. Engagement is essential on Instagram if you want to grow your following. You want to make sure that you are responding to comments, liking and commenting on other people's posts, and using Instagram stories to engage with your audience. By building relationships with your followers, you will create a loyal community that will help you grow your following. Collaborating with other brands or influencers on Instagram is an excellent way to grow your following. You can do this by hosting a giveaway or partnering on a campaign. By working with other brands, you will tap into their audience and potentially gain new followers. There you have it, my top tips on how to increase your Instagram followers. By optimizing your profile, being consistent, using hashtags, engaging with your audience, and collaborating with other brands, you will start to build a massive following on Instagram. Like the video and subscribe the channel for more interesting tips in future.